What it do, YouTube? Mr. EAZYE does it, back at it with another video for today. It's been a minute. It's been like a month. You already know. You already know the real deal. Holyfield, you've been following me for a bit. You should know why I haven't been posting, but yeet. So, originally, I had made this video like a week ago, right? But while I was editing the video, I noticed that I accidentally deleted like 3 whole long clips. So I was like, oh my god, are you serious right now, my brother? Are you serious, my brother? So now I gotta re-record everything. Well, just a few pieces, you know, because I did record when I was starting off the process, but oh well, it is what it is. I messed up. That was my fault. Geek. But after this little clip right here, it is gonna cut off to me when I was first starting off the process, and then it'll skip to me right now in the green hoodie. You already know, explaining everything how I did it. Because, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I did get a little frustrated when I was putting everything on, because, well, the cables were a little bit hard to mount, find a little location to stick them on and stuff like that. So, you know, I was just like, I can't be recording and doing this at the same time. You know, I just gave up. But I'll make sure to explain everything. Well, let's jump into it. What it do, YouTube? Mr. EAZYE does it, back at it with another video for today. Okay, so I got some Underglow lights. You already know. I know it's kind of like tacky, but I saw an OBS. I saw like a picture of an OBS was there, and I just thought it looked clean as hell. I don't know, it brought me back some Fast and Furious type of vibes, but the only thing that matters is that I like it. I don't care what anybody else says, but I'm trying to install them, and I'm gonna take y'all with me to do all the process, because I actually don't even know how, but you live and you learn. That's how we learn to do stuff. But yeet. So here are the little LED underglow strips. You see, they're already turned on, and I kind of wired them up to the cables for my fog lights. This was just a quick test, but I don't know if I should wire them up from the bottom or the top. Well, it depends on how much space I have, but see, I just wired them up real quick, and bam. I don't know where I think I have the controller in the truck real quick. So these are Bluetooth as well. You can use it, you can download an app and use it from your phone. I got the little controller right here. I still don't know how to use it, honestly. Oh yeah, that's how you turn up the brightness. I don't know, I'll figure it out somehow, but they change color. Well, you can control from your phone like the color and all that, so yeah. Alright, so far I was able to put one of the LED strips under my valence, because there's no frame or whatever to put it on. I don't know if you can guys tell, but it's better than nothing, you know. And now I'm gonna pass the other one and put it under the skirt over here. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but right here, all this little pink stuff right here, I had to clean it up real quick, see, so the little 3M tape could stick on. But I don't know how else I'm gonna do it, but better than nothing, bro. So I'm gonna start off from gluing it right here and then go all the way down. I'm sorry, I don't really have enough space. All the way down to the other little corner. And actually, I think the LED strip is the perfect size for it. So let me explain how I did everything. It is a little bit confusing. Goddamn freaking alarm, hurry up. Goddamn. Okay, so under the valence, I know you guys have already seen this on my Instagram, but under the valence right here, hopefully I can get a good shot of it. I know y'all can see it, but yeah, see it right here. See the little border right there? So that's where I stuck on the first light. It does come with a 3M tape. So on both sides of the skirt, this one and the other side, like around this area right here, at night you can actually see through here where I stuck it on. But I'm not sure if y'all can get a good view of it. I'm not really sure. I apologize if y'all can't, but that's where I stuck it on. And I don't really like that location or placing, but it is what it is. There really isn't much. And just a little FYI, guys, the truck doesn't really have that much space for you to stick on the lights. This was just the best I could do. With the cables and all that, that was a horrible job, because I'm not gonna lie, the zip ties that came with the Underglow kit, they were cheap as hell. So now the cables are all falling down and stuff like that. Matter of fact, let me show y'all real quick. You can actually see the cable right there. It's hanging down. I had zip tied it all the way up, but I guess it broke down or whatever. Now it's like hanging down. Freaking horrible job, I know. And for the back port, for the backlight, this one, I'm not gonna lie, this one was a horrible placement, because there's no space for you to put the backlight on. So I don't know if you guys can tell. Man, where's it at? Right here. Right there. I don't know if you can guys see, but I don't know, bro. But there wasn't enough space in the back for you to stick the whole light on. Like half of the light is like folded because there's not enough space, so it doesn't really light up the back. Well, just a little bit, but you know, it's not that much of a big deal, to be honest, because I just really want the front end for it to light up so, you know, I can take badass pictures of it at night. I forgot to mention too that the backlight, like I told you, I had to fold it a little bit, and the part that really like got to me was the wires from the underglow light, right? So I was trying so hard not to have them touch with the exhaust, because obviously that's gonna burn the cable and that's gonna melt it off and destroy my lights. So yeah, that was a pain in the ass right there, but I figured it out. Like I said, I'm gonna fix the wires and all that, but it is what it is, bruh. And I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen my Instagram pictures with the truck, and at the end of this video I am gonna show y'all more clips of the underglow lights, because there are a bunch of options. They're pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why people be hating on them, but that's on y'all, bruh. But yeah, here's the truck looking nice as hell. Let me see if I can, actually no, I'm just wait at night so y'all can see it, because it's too damn cold to be crouching, bruh. Well, I'll just catch it at nighttime to show y'all the little results, how they look like in the dark. So yeet. Alright guys, so it's already nighttime. So here's the app I was telling y'all about. It's called Glowby Home. You know, on. Let's just see. Let's just wait. See, turns on. It just connected real quick. See, it matches the color of the truck, like raspberry or pinkish, hot pink. But here I can change all the designs and stuff like that. And here, I don't want to mess with it right here because I already have it to the perfect color. But you can turn down the brightness from here. Oh, you gotta select the whole thing. Let's see. See, this one's right here, this one's my favorite, because you know there's a bunch of options. See, the effects light, that's what it's called. Right here is a bunch. I can't really go through all of them because that's gonna take forever. The little ghost one, I'm just clicking random ones, but just know that there is a bunch, and they're actually pretty bright in the nighttime. Oh yeah, let me show you how the controller works. See, this one is to turn it on and off. You can do it from your phone as well if you lose the controller right here. This one is number B, or I mean the letter B is to change the brightness and all that. C is to change the colors, obviously. Or it's a pink one that I got. I don't know. But then this one, I don't know, this one changes color along the way. See? Oh, it's pretty cool. It's the same one, same effects and stuff like that. And here's the back one. I'm telling y'all, I couldn't really fit it on right, so it doesn't bright up as much. But it's better than nothing, honestly. Man, it's freaking cold outside. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit too. What the hell, bruh? But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like it up, comment, because it helps with the YouTube algorithm to get my videos pushed out there. You already know. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram at Easy Does It. I'll put it here below. And excuse me, make sure to go follow me on the Tickety Talk on TikTok at Kissline Alex. I'll put it here below. I'm mostly active on there now. That's why I don't really get on YouTube anymore, because, you know, I'm mostly trying to put my name out there on TikTok, because that's where everything's at nowadays. But you already know. Make sure to go follow me on there, Instagram, all that. You already know. Make sure to go DM me if you need something and let me know something. You already know. And I don't know. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that no more, because it kind of got boring, a little bit lame. But, yeah, sorry, boy, you should have known by now. Mr. EAZYE does it. I'll just catch you in the next one. Peace.